Recently, I watched a video by Traversy Media where he talked about
10 things you can do to improve your skills or just become a better developer.
And I haven't been the most consistent when it comes to learning new technologies and implementing the things that I learn. I took a CS degree in my first year, but then changed it to mechanical engineering. However, the passion and desire to create using code is still very much alive, and I wanted to apply the 10 steps to my plan. I've been watching Traversy Media for years now. I watched a lot of his videos, and that's what I did for a long time. So I want to take the things that I've learned from him and others over the years to create something that has never been done before. I'm kidding. I don't remember 90% of the stuff I've watched over the years because of lack of implementation, which is a problem. Now, as I was watching, I realized something. Some of these steps can be grouped for amplified effect. The first step is coding almost every day, but I'm going to leave this one till the very end. You will understand in a moment why. But for my second step, I've combined the second, third, fourth, and fifth step, and here's why. I plan to learn something that is completely new, that I've never worked on before. So I'll be doing step 2, which is mastering the fundamentals by learning a new technology, which I'll get into in just a second, and also learn a new programming language that will go with it. I plan to do all of this and document it on this very channel while providing some value. So I'll be mastering the fundamentals, learning on a regular basis as I'll be trying on new things and challenging myself, and the challenge will come in the form of I want to work on this at least daily while keeping track of my progress and everything I learn and practice. My third step is engagement. Well, this will be a combination of steps 6 to 9, where I'll be engaging with other developers through my content here on YouTube. I hope to get your opinion and advice on some of the things that I'll be working on, and also hope to learn on how to write clean code, but I think this comes with experience, so I'm not really worried too much about it for now. I just need to code more and learn from others. Reading other people's code. This is step 8 by Traversy Media, and I think the best place to start is GitHub. There are a lot of projects there with good documentation, so I should be fine. Contributing to open source, well, for now I'll just contribute to my own GitHub repo. I feel I should learn more before I start adding to other people's code. Later on, when I've reached God level in coding, maybe, but for now I'll just learn by working on my projects, and I have a few interesting ideas that I would like to implement in this channel. And finally, well, maybe not finally, because I still have to show you the first step after this, but the 10th step, at least in Traversy Media's video, but this will be the 4th step for me: choosing a path and sticking to it. Well, knowing me, I probably won't stick to one path, but for now I want to mainly focus on learning machine learning and Python and apply that to my projects. However, only when I feel comfortable with these technologies will I attempt to deeply learn something else. Now, for my 5th step, coding almost every day. Finally, being a procrastinator myself, I really want to commit to this path, so I will code almost every day, at least for the next 7 days straight. I want to start small. The whole 21 days thing is a bit extreme, and usually it doesn't last, but there's a strategy to this, and since there's no better time to start than now, welcome to my first self-development and the next 7 days of coding vlog style. Why did I do this? Since I was motivated, I downloaded and installed Python on my system, and I wrote my first program, and it's a simple hello world program, and this doesn't count. I still have 7 days to code, but that's it for this video.